Welcome to Golden Harmony, your trusted space for living well, joyfully, and with confidence after 60. Let's dive into today's topic.
A supportive bed can make all the difference in relieving back pain, which is especially important as we age. Choosing the right mattress is crucial because a poor choice can worsen back issues. Many seniors experience back pain due to various reasons, ranging from arthritis to muscle stiffness. Understanding your specific back needs is the first step toward a restful night's sleep. When it comes to selecting a mattress, firmness is key. Some people need a firmer surface for support, while others prefer something softer. Fortunately, many stores offer trial periods so you can test a mattress at home. There are various types, such as memory foam and innerspring, each offering different benefits. Ultimately, your comfort is what matters most. Adjustable bed frames can greatly enhance comfort by allowing you to find the perfect sleeping position. These beds enable you to raise or lower your head and feet, which can help alleviate back pain. Look for features such as wireless remotes and quiet motors. Using an adjustable frame can also improve your overall sleep quality by reducing pressure points. Pillows are not just for your head. They can provide vital back support too. Placing a pillow under your knees can help maintain spinal alignment when sleeping on your back. There are different types of pillows, like memory foam or feather, to suit various needs. The right pillow positioning can alleviate pressure and enhance comfort. Mattress toppers are a simple way to make your bed more comfortable. They come in various materials like memory foam or gel-infused and can enhance both comfort and support. A topper can help adjust the firmness of your mattress to better suit your back needs. It's a cost-effective solution to improve your sleeping surface. Temperature plays a significant role in how well you sleep. Too hot or too cold can disrupt your rest. Consider using cooling or heating mattress pads to find the right temperature balance. Opt for breathable materials like cotton for your sheets and blankets. Keeping your bedroom at a comfortable temperature can also contribute to a better night's sleep. Bed height can impact how comfortably you get in and out of bed. A bed that's too high or too low can be difficult to manage, especially for those with mobility issues. Consider adjusting the height using bed risers or choosing a frame that suits your needs. This simple change can make bedtime both safer and more comfortable. The right bedding can enhance your sleeping experience. Look for materials that feel soft and gentle against your skin. Hypoallergenic options can be beneficial for those with allergies. It's also important to choose bedding that's durable and easy to care for. Ultimately, the texture and feel should suit your personal comfort preferences. Regular maintenance can prolong the life of your mattress and ensure it remains comfortable. Rotating your mattress every few months can prevent uneven wear. Regularly check for any signs of wear and tear and vacuum to remove dust mites. These practices help maintain your mattress's support and comfort over time. Creating a peaceful environment can improve your sleep quality. Try to minimize noise and distractions in your bedroom. Calming scents like lavender can promote relaxation. Soft lighting can help create a serene ambience. Establishing a bedtime routine can signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Relaxation techniques can greatly enhance your comfort in bed. Deep breathing exercises can calm the mind and body. Progressive muscle relaxation involves tensing and then releasing each muscle group. Guided meditations can also help you drift off more peacefully. These practices can reduce stress and prepare you for a restful night's sleep. Your sleep posture can significantly affect your back health. For side sleepers, a pillow between the knees can help keep the spine aligned. Back sleepers might benefit from a pillow under their knees. Stomach sleepers should consider a thin pillow under the pelvis. Adjusting your posture can alleviate back pain and improve overall comfort. Consulting with professionals can provide valuable insights into improving your bed comfort. A doctor can help identify any underlying medical issues affecting your sleep. A sleep specialist can offer guidance on overcoming sleep disturbances. Chiropractors and physiotherapists can provide targeted advice on back health. Professional input can lead to more effective solutions. Regular exercise and stretching can strengthen your back and enhance flexibility. Simple exercises like gentle yoga or walking can make a big difference. Stretching routines can help relieve tension and improve mobility. Incorporating physical activity into your daily routine can lead to better sleep quality and overall comfort in bed. Understanding when to replace your mattress is key to maintaining bed comfort. Different types of mattresses have varying lifespans, often ranging from 7 to 10 years. If you notice sagging or discomfort, it might be time for a new one. A worn-out mattress can negatively impact your sleep and back health, so timely replacement is important. Investing in quality sleep accessories can enhance your comfort. Good quality sheets and pillows can make a noticeable difference. Sleep masks can block out light, aiding better rest. Earplugs can help reduce noise disturbances. Weighted blankets have gained popularity for their comforting pressure. These small additions can contribute to a more restful sleep. Good sleep hygiene is essential for a comfortable night's sleep. Try to keep a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime. Reducing screen time in the evening can help your mind relax. Creating a calming routine before bed can signal to your body that it's time to rest. Natural remedies can aid in achieving a comfortable sleep. Herbal teas like chamomile can be soothing before bed. Aromatherapy, using scents like lavender, may promote relaxation. Essential oils can be used in diffusers or directly applied with care. Some natural supplements might assist sleep, but it's wise to consult a healthcare professional first. If you suspect a sleep disorder, recognizing the signs is crucial. Common issues include sleep apnea and insomnia, which are prevalent among seniors. A professional diagnosis can lead to appropriate treatment options. Lifestyle changes, along with medical interventions, can effectively manage these disorders, improving both comfort and sleep quality. Monitoring your sleep quality can provide insights into how you can improve comfort. Keeping a sleep diary helps track how well you sleep each night. Sleep tracking devices can offer additional data on sleep patterns. Identifying these patterns can help you make necessary adjustments to enhance your rest and overall comfort. Personalizing your sleep space can significantly increase your comfort. Customize your bedroom with elements that make you feel at ease. Adding personal touches to the decor can make your room more inviting. Keeping the space organized and free of clutter contributes to a restful environment. Make your bedroom a haven of relaxation and comfort. Understanding your unique sleep needs is important for comfort. Everyone's sleep requirements can differ and may change over time. Pay attention to your body's signals and adjust your habits accordingly. Adapting to these changes ensures that you get the restful sleep you need for overall well-being. Your diet can greatly affect your sleep quality. Foods rich in tryptophan, like turkey and nuts, can promote better sleep. Avoid heavy meals and caffeine close to bedtime, as they can disrupt rest. Staying hydrated during the day is important, but try to reduce fluid intake right before bed. A balanced diet supports a restful night's sleep. Maintaining a positive mindset about sleep can improve your comfort. Try to cultivate a healthy attitude and avoid anxiety about sleeplessness. Focus on relaxation techniques before bed to ease your mind. Practicing gratitude for even small restful moments can shift your perspective and enhance your sleep experience. Achieving a comfortable sleep environment involves a variety of strategies, from choosing the right mattress to creating a soothing bedtime routine. Personalization and patience are key, as each person's needs are unique. Continue to make adjustments as needed and remain committed to improving your sleep for overall well-being. A good night's rest is within your reach, bringing better days ahead.
Thank you so very much for watching this video today. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends if you enjoyed.